Hello everyone. Do you want to open an Etsy shop but live in an unsupported country? Don't worry, I will guide you through a workaround to get your shop live and running. So now let's dive in. Now start by downloading and installing a reliable VPN. Choose a server located in a country where Etsy is supported. This will allow you to access Etsy services without restrictions. Next, create an account with a Payoneer or a similar service that supports receiving payments in Etsy supported currencies. You will use this account to handle transactions on your Etsy store. Now go to etsy.com and sign up for an account using the VPN. During registration, use an address from the country your VPN is set to. You can find address generators online for this purpose. Once registered, go through the process of setting up your shop, adding products, and linking your Payoneer account for payouts. Double check your details to ensure everything is accurate. And there you have it. With these steps, you can open an Etsy shop from an unsupported country. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.